Hey, what's going on, guys? Brandon Gentile here, Legacy Group Real Estate Team. We have your Macomb County June 2018 market update. Let's jump right into it. I always give you guys this disclosure every single month we do this, that we have 3 years that we do data for. So we do the previous 2 and then the current year, that month specifically. That way you guys can see the pattern. And again, we do June, do the month previously in arrears. That way we have the month is over, so we have all the data now. Now we have everything. We can see exactly what's going on, and we can process everything and show you the true data. So, like I said, every time my biggest mentor when it comes to all this is Robert Kiyosaki, and his rich dad always tells a story of just his rich dad talking about the numbers telling a story. When you're looking at the numbers of a business, when you're looking at the numbers of your family, your profit and loss, you're looking at the numbers here of the real estate market, the numbers tell a story, right? So you always want to see what's exactly going on. You can see the pattern now when we have the years, the last couple of years, when you can compare June 2016, June 2017, June 2018, you can see exactly what's going on. So let's jump right in here. Days on market, the first one, big decrease over the last couple of years, obviously. Kind of stayed steady over this last year or so, but a big decrease over the last couple of years in terms of times on market, and that again is going with the theme of what we've been seeing now for almost 2 years, basically, of a seller's market. And you can see now these numbers were getting fairly low at the time, and you can really see the market starting to shift. But now we have this. I mean, this is incredible. I mean, we're down. It's literally in half almost active homes from this time 2 years ago. So I mean, it just goes to show the big market swing we've had over the last few years. Months of inventory. Months of inventory is a ratio, basically a quick ratio, so you can see exactly what a market is doing by not having to dig into a million numbers and see what's going on. So what months of inventory means is that the rate homes are selling, how fast or how long would it take at the current rate, if no new homes came in the market, how long would it take to sell every last home? And that's exactly what this means. So a balanced market is about 5-6 months, and a buyer's market, you're getting 7, 9, 15 months plus, getting these crazy amounts. That's a buyer's market. Severe buyer's market. Balanced, like I said, 4 to 6 months. We're at 1 month of inventory in Macomb. I mean, that's incredible. And we're seeing this all across Metro Detroit. We've been seeing this pattern now for 2 years, and it just keeps contracting. And it really, I don't know where it ends up, to be honest with you. And again, that's a talk for another day. We have some videos that we've done on that. If you want to go in the channels, in our Facebook or YouTube channel and look to see what's going on, it really is remarkable. New homes that came on the market. So this is new listed homes, new homes that were listed in June. We have, again, a steady decline here over the last couple of years per usual, what we're seeing across the board. Again, going with the same theme, we have the price per square foot going up. Low demand or high demand and low inventory, prices are going to rise, right? Simple Econ 101, your Econ 101 college course, high school course here. So again, a steady incline in pricing. This basically what this means is if you take the square footage of your home and you multiply it by this, it's going to give you about what your home was worth. Now remember, this is county-wide, so if you want to get a true analysis of your home, you're really going to want to get someone in there, a professional, to come in, look at your house, make sure that you're getting an accurate representation of what's going on with your neighborhood. Things change from neighborhood to neighborhood, street to street, city to city. So this is county-wide. So remember that. Keep it's a rule of thumb here. This gives you what we really want to show you is this pattern that's going up, a steady increase county-wide. And then sold. The last one here is really kind of a buyer statistic, a buyer stat, and basically what it is it's showing how many buyers are in the area, and it's declined a little bit. This number doesn't usually change all that much because it's really showing us the buyer pool. And some people, as you can see, people have been dropping out just because really this time of year people start to get frustrated. People start to get frustrated and stuff like that. They're not getting the homes they like. There's not enough homes in the market. So we're seeing a little bit of a drop here in the buyer pool. But this generally doesn't change too much. It doesn't change all that much, the buyer pool, unless there's a huge catastrophic event. We're getting to a point where it's starting to get a little catastrophic, where it is just, you're probably not going to hear that many places because the media and the news, a lot of those places, they want to, the point of the news is to keep you clicking on things, to watch things, but it's also to keep you comfortable. And it's also to make sure you're not freaking out about the economy. And I'm not saying this is something to freak out about, but it's something to really have a keen eye on and make sure we're watching this and what's going on in the market, because it's really squeezing people. Buyers are really being squeezed. First-time home buyers, young people, they're being squeezed right now, and they're paying a lot for rent. They can't save money, and then they can't, rates are rising now, and it costs, more and more to buy a home, and prices are rising on homes. I mean, where does it leave people, right? Homes aren't being built to the pace they need to be. Hedge funds are investing in the rental market, in the home market, residential market, and multifamily. So where does it leave people, right? And that's what we are left asking ourselves. So like I said, this is the stat video. We don't want to get into those talks today necessarily. Look at our other videos. If you're interested in that and some answers and some possibilities and where things are headed in some of our other videos in the timeline in our YouTube channel and our playlist there. But again, Macomb County, June 2018 update. I appreciate your time here with us. It truly is the most important thing we have and the most valuable asset at the time. So I appreciate you spending it here with us. Very humbled and honored. And we look forward to seeing you soon.